How to fix Shein app network error. If you are facing a network problem on the Shein app, then follow these steps. So firstly, you will need to check your device network. Open settings on your device and select the Wi-Fi option. Here make sure that you have a good internet connection. If your network is lagging, then you need to remove the network and re-add the same network or a different one. Also, you can try switching between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data to see if that helps. After making sure that your network connection is working, you need to go back. Now go to the search bar on the top and search for the Shein application. Inside Shein, you will see these kind of options. Go to the notification and make sure that the notification is allowed. After that, you need to go back to your previous page. Scroll down and select the option General. In General, go to iPhone storage and search for the Shein app. After you open it, then you will see an interface like this. Here you will see an option Offload app, click on that. And now again select the Offload app option from the bottom. At last, all you need to do is restart your device and your problem should be fixed. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.